Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Windows and your Bluetooth adapter driver are current. This fixes many audio faults at the source. Pair only the headset you'll test, and choose a 2 DP-capable headphones for stereo quality rather than headset profiles. Once done, remove other paired audio devices to prevent profile switching. You'll also open Settings and keep the Bluetooth quick menu visible, so you can observe connection states and quickly repair if the adapter defaults to the wrong profile. Now focus on the audio chain. Choose the Bluetooth A2DP device as the default output in sound settings and pick a higher bit depth if available to reduce resampling. Next, go to Devices, open the headset properties and disable hands-free telephony so Windows won't switch to the low-quality HFP profile during media playback. If problems persist, reinstall or update the Bluetooth and audio drivers via Device Manager. Roll back drivers only if a recent update introduced the issue. To finish, force a better codec where possible, either in the device options or with the vendor app, to enable aptX or LDAC for higher bitrate audio. This directly improves fidelity. Make sure power settings keep the Bluetooth adapter at maximum performance and disable USB selective suspend for USB dongles. If audio remains poor, reset the headset, test the headset on another computer to isolate the issue, and scan for wireless interference. If none of that works, use the one-key troubleshooting tip. Repair after a full driver reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.